Are you ready to take the shortcut in learning Turkish? If you live in Turkey or thinking of moving to Turkey, have just started to learn Turkish or planning to start soon, looking for useful resources to help you learn faster and more efficiently, spend a lot of time searching the internet for different resources to help you understand Turkish, and if you want to save time and have all the materials and resources ready for you so that you can just start learning, then this course is what you are looking for. What will this course include? Day-to-day activities and tasks that you should do to improve your Turkish. I help you to have the right mindset before even starting learning Turkish, how to avoid the most common mistakes that hold you back from learning Turkish, effective learning techniques, my story with learning the Turkish language and how I started, and the practical steps that I followed and helped me improve my Turkish, and all the resources that I used and still use to this day. These resources include websites, books, different apps, social media accounts that I follow, and much more. What will you receive after registering for this course? Instant and lifetime access to the course. Updates of new resources and materials will be added to the course whenever they are available, and you can contact me for any inquiries about the resources and information in this course. I've done all the research for you. Now is your chance to join this course and save your precious time. You can now register for this course for only $21.99.